Odoo Manufacturing Module. Key points. Covered in this video: creating work centers, calculating manufacturing costs, managing scrap, handling unbilled orders. Creating work centers. Navigate to work centers, go to manufacturing configuration, work centers, click new. Fill in the work center details, work center name, ironing department code, short code for reference, company. If you have multi-company setup, select the appropriate company. Cost per hour. Define the cost per hour for tracking production costs. Allowed employees. Assign employees here. Manufacturing cost creating MO. Already BOM creation discussed in previous video. Add one more operation. Click confirm and produce all. Click overview button. It will shows the cost of manufacturing, component price, operation cost, and work center cost. Go to products, select manufactured product. In cost field, click compute price from BOM. It will auto-fill that BOM price. Scrap. Go to operations manufacturing. Select MO, click scrap button. Select the product. Men's t-shirt and quantity 5 units, click scrap products. Now check the scrap quantity in stock. Go to products, select product, men's t-shirt. Click on hand button. Click history. Here the 5 scrap quantity moves from stock to scrap and we'll see in scrap orders. Go to operations scrap. Unbilled orders. Operations. Manufacturing orders, select MO. Click unbilled button. Enter quantity. Click unbilled. Go to operations. Unbilled orders. Unbilled quantity shown in here. Navigate products, select any one component. Click on hand button. Click history. Here. The unbilled quantity of component added into the stock. Select manufactured product. Click on hand button. Click history. Unbilled quantity 25 units, go to production from the stock.